Now, after having all the four sides yellow, what we need to do is we have to have one more side, one more corner into yellow before we put the other three sides yellow. So what we do is just look at the side, with the side. So this side and this side is out here. So what we do is we just turn the area around, see the color, and you see you change the color, you maintain this side, and you turn it down, and you turn it over here, you see you maintain this side, and then you turn it up here, then you turn it back here, and you see that's one corner done. So after that, you see this corner, this yellow must be here. So what we do is we just turn it down again, and then turn it down, and then you see turn it down, turn it here, and turn over the other side, and finish. That's it. The color here is all yellow now, and except for this side. Now how are we going to do it this side? So it's in another video.